Hey, I'm very much excited to take you through Tuples. Welcome to this particular one, and we're going to discuss about Tuples in Python. Remember a tuple, sorry. How do you declare a tuple? You declare a tuple using parentheses, and not you can declare a tuple using you can declare a tuple using brackets, not parentheses. Sorry. So these are the brackets that you need to declare a tuple, and different from the ones that you're using to declare a list. That is square brackets, and a tuple is using this normal bracket. And what distinguishes a tuple from list is immutability. Remember, a tuple is a collection of ordered lists, same as a list that is immutable. Yeah, the difference now here is the keyword immutable. You can see immutable, that you cannot change the features, the properties of a tuple, that allow duplicate of elements. So it allows duplication of elements just like a list. Okay, let us jump in our example, and we will understand what we mean by that in hands-on. So this is our tuple here. The tuple is going to contain these elements, and the elements that I'm going to use is my name and this my age and on my city. Okay, so if I try to print this tuple, let us see what the tuple is going to give us. So you can see when you print the tuple, which is way different from a list, it has given us these elements here. So this is a tuple. Okay, this is not a list. We've declared it as a tuple. Yeah. So a tuple, remember, you can it's you remember a tuple allow duplicates of elements. Okay, so let us try an example and see what we mean by that. Uh, this is our tuple, uh, and the tuple is going to we're going to print this tuple and see what is contained in our tuple. Yeah, you can see we have duplicated the two elements here. We have duplicated we've duplicated the we have duplicated this element here and this element here. You can see there's a duplicate of the same element. Okay, let us look at for loop in a tuple. For I in tuple, let us try and print what is in the lists. Okay, and see what is going to be printed. Okay, so we have printed elements in the tuple. We have printed the name, the age, and and where I stay. Okay, you can see after we printed these elements here, the elements in the tuple they have printed. Okay, let us try and look through the element and check if we have these elements that we're trying to look for. So we are trying to look for this name in the tuple, and if the name is available in the tuple, we're going to print the list. Okay, so you can see after we have declared the tuple, and if this name is in my tuple, if it's available in the tuple, yeah, you can see if it's available in the tuple, it's going to print a yes. If it's not in the tuple, it's going to print a no. And in our scenario here, When you print this element, the printing is going to give us a yes. Why? Because we have this element in our list. Let us try and just mutate the element that we want to check if it's available, and come up with an element that is not available in the list or the tuple. So when you print this name in my tuple, print if this name is in my tuple, print yes, else print no. So what do you expect the results to be? The results are going to be a no. You're right. Why? Because this element is not part of our tuple. Okay, so you cannot print that element. Okay, you cannot. So the condition is finally working in our tuple. Now the thing that I want us to look at is making sure that our tuple is immutable. And what are we going to do here to we're going to we're going to we're going to print an item that is my tuple my tuple my tuple